Yes, we are doing another review on another mouse. This is from EKSA Superlight Gaming Mouse. It's the EM500, and at the time of making this video, it costs around about £25, so it's not too expensive. Yeah, it's super light. It weighs apparently 68 grams, give or take 3 grams apparently, and that does not include the cable. It comes in 2 different flavours, black or white. If you had the white one, you get yellow buttons. If you had the black one, you get red buttons. We had the black one, I think. Not 100% sure, but I think that's the one we got. Quick disclaimer, I did not actually purchase this. They sent it to me, but as always, we will do an honest review and tell you exactly what I think about it. So, quick look around the box. I like that, actually. So, we have like a matte finish on that one and a glossy finish on that one. Yeah, 68 grams, there you go. EM500 super light gaming mouse. So if you're looking for a mouse that isn't too heavy, this might be the baby for you, Barney McCrew. Right, let's get it open and see exactly what you get for your money, honey. Don't forget, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out or check them out. I'll stick a link to their actual store on Amazon, so you get instructions. Shouldn't need instructions, but you never know. We get a mouse, with a red cable. I quite like that, actually. Now that is different. Now the last one, I believe, was 1.8 or something like that in length. Let's see if it actually tells you in the instructions. So it's 1 to 4 pages, so 1 to 3 pages. Now, does it tell you in here? Last time I saw it, it actually told me what it was. So it's 800 DPI to 12,400. USB report rate is 1,000 hertz. 8-button programmable, like I told you. And there's always an and. Can't tell. I'll have to measure it. Just tells you the dimensions. Ah, okay. I thought it might have told you the length of the cable. Oh, and it's RGB, by the way, which I like, as you all know, or should know. Now, there should be a button on the bottom. Ah, there it is. So that is for changing your RGB, apparently. And that does feel really light. Now, this is one of the other models that I've done some time ago. This is the EM600, which I actually use all the time. So, on the face of it, there's more air holes, apparently, and that is to reduce the weight. Yeah, it's definitely lighter than this one. I'm quite happy with this one. I use this one all the time. And forward button, backward button. I believe that's for changing the DPIs. So if you want to go down, I think it's that one for minus, that one for plus. Could be the other way around. Scroll wheel and left and right mouse button. Nice bit of beading on that, or breeding. Is it beading or breeding? Yeah, very nice. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a measure up, because there's bound to be someone out there that says, Yorkie, how long's the cable? You just know it. So I'm going to have a measure up, tell you exactly how long it is, and then we're going to have a little play about it. I'm going to plug it in and see what all the colourful lights are. I'm guessing they're going to be around there, similar to this one. Something like that. So they've even made that smaller, you know, to reduce the weight. Oops, just shut something down with my mouse. Yes. So this is a gaming mouse. This is, well, basically it's a gaming mouse as well, but hopefully a bit more enjoyable. So with that, let me have a quick measure up of the cable and we'll plug her in. Cable length is 1.8 meters long. Same length as my other one, and probably the same length of all them mice, I'm guessing. But yeah, 1.8. It is plug and play, like it should be anyway, but just in case someone wanted to know that, it is plug and play. I will show you the RGB or the lighting effect in a minute, because I need to turn the lights off, which makes sense, yeah? So what I've done, I've made my mouse extremely big, or my mouse pointer. Look, it is massive, just so you can see it nice and clearly. So I'm going to slow it right down to the slowest speed, which is that. As you can see, quite slow. It won't go any slower than that. Apparently it's 800. I'm going to move it up by 1 notch. That feels a lot better. And I'll probably have it on that one. which is about the third one from the bottom. So what's that, about 12, 1400, something like that, I'm guessing. And then we're going to go up. That's quite responsive, and it seemed to be pretty accurate. Yeah, that's too fast for me. And let's go to the top, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's definitely too fast. It is too fast for normal, you know, looking around on your monitor or anything else. It's definitely too fast. Right, let's get it down to a sensible speed. Too slow. That one. That's better. And also, let's bring her back down to a normal size, shall we? Which is around about there. Maybe a little bit bigger. About there. Where it's comfortable. Yeah, that'll do. So you can see it nice and clearly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn off the studio lights. And we're going to go through the lighting effects so you get a better view. Because it needs to be dark, or darkish, so you can see it properly. Yeah, so far so good, no issues. All the buttons seem to work really well, like you would expect. It does feel quite comfortable in the hand as well, which actually surprised me. I wasn't too sure about this one, being it's so light, but yeah. Ergonomics are fine, no issues with that whatsoever. So let me turn the lights off and we'll have a little play. Right, see that? So, the lighting effect, it is controlled by the bottom like I said it would be. Oops. Just turned up my mouse on my computer. So yeah, it's controlled by that button on the bottom, so all you need to do is press that and it will do different lighting effects. I've already found my favourite and we're going to go through them and I'm going to show you my favourite one in a minute. That just scrolls through the colours really slowly. It's nice to see, you can see it, even laying flat. Yeah. That's quite nice. I do like the way it goes across. You can have it turned off as well, if it's annoying you. That one, I like that one. It's not too fast, it's not too slow, it's quite subtle. Yeah, I quite like that one, that's my favourite. So I find that one a bit fast. And that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a bit of gaming, find out how I get on with it on a gaming, or playing a game I should say. Ah, behind us. So I played a few games of Counter-Strike just to see how I got on with it, and yeah, no issues with that whatsoever. Quite enjoyed it. Forgot I had it in my hand actually. When you're concentrating on the game, you just totally forget that, you know, you've got different mouse in your hand. It felt very comfortable. I like the fact you can quickly adjust the DPIs for whatever suits you, nice and easy, which I would expect anyway. And it seemed to be very accurate to me, very accurate. It did get a bit warm and it does look a little bit sweaty, but then it is extremely hot outside anyway. And I've got my aircon turned off. So yeah, if you're looking for an ultralight mouse, this might be the one for you. For what it costs, and don't forget I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. For what it costs, it's well worth the money. So with that, Let me know in the comments if you have any comments, or whether you're thinking about buying one of these or you've got this one. Let me know in the comments what you think of this mouse or any of the other mouse videos or reviews that I've done on these products. Definitely gets my thumbs up, well worth the money. And with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me the thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.